Welcome to my channel Coder Status, and let's start the How Learn Coding. Learning to code can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are some steps you can follow to start learning how to code. Step 1. Choose a programming language. There are many programming languages to choose from, including Java, Python, JavaScript, and many more. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, so choose a language that is suitable for your goals and interests. Step 2. Find resources. There are many resources available to learn programming, including online courses, books, tutorials, and coding bootcamps. Look for resources that are suitable for your skill level and learning style. Step 3. Set goals. Setting goals can help you stay motivated and focused while learning to code. Define what you want to achieve and create a plan to reach your goals. Step 4. Practice coding. Coding is a skill that requires practice. Start by writing simple programs and gradually move on to more complex projects. Try to solve coding challenges and work on real-world projects to gain practical experience. Step 5. Join a community. Joining a community of programmers can help you learn from others and stay motivated. Attend meetups, join online forums, and participate in coding events to connect with other programmers. Step 6. Get feedback. Getting feedback on your code can help you improve your skills. Share your code with others and ask for feedback. Take criticism constructively and use it to improve your code. Step 7. Never stop learning. Programming is a constantly evolving field, and there is always something new to learn. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies and continue to learn and grow your skills. Remember that learning to code takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep pushing yourself to improve. With persistence and dedication, anyone can learn to code. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.